Good afternoon, children. Today, our previous class continuation in this topic is type of constraints. In this type of constraints, they are classified into 5 constraints, right? The number 1 is a unique constraint. Number 2 is a primary constraint. Number 3 is a default constraint. Number 4 is a check constraint. Number 5 is a table constraint. These about one by one we will see today in this SQL session. In this session, we know unique queue constraint about we learn. Sir, what is unique constraint? It's nothing but this constraint ensures that no two rows have the same name value. This constraint ensure that not two rows have the same value in the specified columns. Example, unique constraint applied on administration number is ADM number of student table ensures that no two students have the same admission number. Okay. In case the constraint can be used as how to create table and then student. Here admin number integer not null is a unique. It's a unique constraint, but name characters of 20 not null. Gender is a character of 1 and then age is an integer and then place is a character of 10, right? Here should be closed, it should be terminated by semicolon. Now in this unique constraint can be applied only to fields declared as not null. How, sir? When two constraints are applied on a single field, it is known as multiple constraint. In the multiple constraints, not null and unique are applied on single field admin number. The constraints are separated by space and at the end of the field definition a comma is added. By adding these two constraints, the field admin number must take some value, therefore will not be null and should not be duplicated, right? Now in this SQL primary key constraint, what is the primary key? Primary key is a key uniquely identify a particular record in a database contain details. In that primary constraint, this constraint declares a field as a primary key which helps to uniquely identify a record. This constraint declares a field as a primary key which helps to uniquely identify a record. It is similar to unique constraint except that only one field of a table can be set as primary key. The primary key does not allow null values and therefore a field declared as primary key must have the not null constraint. Example, I will tell you, showing the primary key constraint, the student table. How to create table, student, admin number, integer and then not null, primary key and then primary key. In this primary key constraints, name, character of 20 and then not null. Here you see gender, character of 1. Here integer, age integer and then place also character of 10. It should be terminated by close parenthesis and then semicolon. In the above example, the admin number field has been set as primary key and therefore will help us to uniquely identify a record. It is also set not null. Therefore, this field value cannot be empty. Right. Now, we'll see in SQL default constraint. Default constraint. What is default constraint? Default constraint is used to assign a default value for the field. When no value is given for the specified field having default constraint, right, automatically the default value will be assigned to the field. The default value will be assigned to the field. Example showing default constraint in the student table. Suppose create table student admission number integer not null primary key, name character of 20 not null, gender also character of 1, age integer, default is equal to within a double quote 17. Here double quote also closed comma. Here place character of 10. You see in this example, above example, the age field is assigned a default value of 17. Therefore, when no value is entered in age, by the use automatically assign 17 to age. Okay, yes. In this SQL, now we will see check constraint. What is check constraint? In this check constraint above, we will see this constraint helps to set a limit value placed for a field when we define a check constraint on a single column. It allows only the restricted values on that field. Now check constraint. Example showing check constraint in the student table. Here create table student, admin number is the integer not null, this is a primary key, name character of 20 not null, gender is a character of 1, age integer check. So that's why check is age is greater than equal to here 19. In the check constraint place character of 10. Here in the above example, the check constraint is set to age field where the value of age must be less than or equal to 19. Okay. Now we will see in this SQL table constraint. The table constraint, when the constraint is applied to a group of fields of the table, it is known as table constraint. Outside, the table constraint is normally given at the end of the table definition. Let us take a new table, namely student 1, with the following fields: admission number, first name, last name, gender, age and place. Right. Here create constraint. Create table student 1, add number integer not null, first name is a character of 20, the last name also character of 20, gender character of 1, age is integer and then place character of 10. Here primary key is a first name and then last name. Here these are inside the single colon, bracket. Again the bracket will close. It should be terminated by semicolon. Table constraint. In the above example, the two fields first name and last name are defined as primary key, which is a table constraint. Now we'll see about DML command. Okay. In these DML commands, here three things are there. Okay, what is the DML? Data manipulation language. In this data manipulation language, three things we will see. One is inserting, updating, and then delete. Right? Here in that command can be classified into three types: insert, update, delete. First, we will see DML commands. Once the schema or structure of the table is created, the values can be added to the table. The DML commands consist of inserting, deleting, and updating rows into the table. In this command, first we will see insert command. The insert command helps to add new data to the database or add new records to the table. The command is used as follows. Example, insert into table name, column list, values, and then inside the bracket values, it should be terminated by semicolon. In this insert command, insert into student, admin number, name, gender, age, place. Here values, admin number is 100, name is Anish, and then gender, Ashish, gender is a male, age is a 70, place is a Chennai. Right? Insert into student, admin number, name, gender, age, place, values 101, others, male, 18, Delhi. Here we will insert two new records are added to the table as shown in below. Admin number, name, gender, age, place. Right? Here 100, 101. 100, Ashish, male, 17, place is a Chennai. Here admin number, here 101, others, male, 18 is a Delhi. Right? Now, insert command, the order of values must match the order of columns in the create table command. Specifying the column names is optional if data is to be added for all columns. The command to add values into the student table can also be used in the following way. Here, insert command, all fields. Insert into student values 102. So, Akshit, male, 17 is a Bangalore. The above command insert the following record into the student table 102, Akshit, male, 17, Bangalore. Okay. Now, insert command selected fields to add a data to only some columns in a record by specifying the column name and their data. It can be done by insert into student, admin number, name, place, values 103, Ayush, and then he came from Delhi. That's why Delhi. Right? The above command adds the following record with default 103, Ayush, male, 18, Delhi. Right? In this insert command, selected fields, insert into student, admission number, name, place, values 104. So, Abhinan, here Chennai, here 104, Abhinan, male, 18, Chennai. Now, insert command, the student table will have the following data. You see, 100 to 104. So, Ashish to Abhinan, all are male, age 17, 18, 17, 18, 18, places Chennai, Delhi, Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai. The fields that are not given in the insert command will take default values if it is defined for them, otherwise null value will be stored. Okay, now in this insert command, the fields that are omitted will have either default value defined or null value. Okay, now delete command. The delete command permanently removes one or more records from the table. Okay, it removes the entire row, not individual fields of the row show no field argument is needed. Right? The delete command is used as follows. Delete from table name and then where condition it should be terminated by semicolon. In this delete command, for example, to delete the records, in that case here for example delete the record whose admission number is 104, right? The command is given as follows. Delete from student where admission number 104 means the following record is deleted from the student table. What 104 means? What? Abhinan, male, 18, Chennai. Right. To delete all the rows of the table, the command is used as delete star from student. The table will be empty now and could be destroyed using the drop command. Now we will see update command. Update. In this update command, updates some or all data values in a database. Right? It can update one or more records in a table. The update command specifies the rows to be changed using the where clause and the new data using the set keywords. Now in this command used as follows. You see, update table name and then set column name equal to value, column name equal to value, where condition it should be terminated by semicolon. For example, here to update the field age, update student, set age equal to 20 where place equal to Bangalore. Right? The above command will change the age to 20 for those students whose place is Bangalore. In the table will be updated as follows. You see, 101, 1002, 103. Here the table will show. Right? Yes. Now in this, to update the multiple fields, multiple field assignment can be specified with set clause separated by comma. For example, to update multiple fields in the student table, the command is given as update student set age equal to 18, place Chennai, where admission number is 102. Right? Okay. Yes. Now in this update command and multiple fields, here admission number, name, gender, age and then place. Okay. The update command multiple fields. Here the admission number, name, gender, age and place. Right? Here some additional DDL commands. So these commands are, you see, alter command. Alter command is used to alter the table structure, like adding a column, renaming the existing column, change the data type of any column or size of the column, or delete the column from the table. It is used the following way. You see, alter table, table name, add column name, data type, size. Okay. Here alter command, to add a new column address of type character to the student table, the command is used as. Here alter table, student, add address character. To modify existing column of table, the alter table command can be used with modify clause. Likewise, alter table name, modify column name, data type and then size. Here alter table, student, modify address character of 25. The above command will modify the address column of the student table to now hold 25 characters. The alter command can be used to rename an existing column in the following way. Now alter table name, rename, hold column. Here, for example, to rename the column address to city, the command is used as, you see, alter table student rename address to city. The alter command can also be used to remove column or all columns. For example, to remove a particular column, the drop column is used with the alter table. To remove a particular field, the command can be used as alter table name, drop column, column name. Right? Here, to remove, in that case, to remove the column city, you see, remove the column city from the student table, the command is used as alter table student drop column city. Okay, here in that case, truncate command, this is important one. The truncate command is used to delete all the rows from the table. The structure remains and the space is freed from the table. The syntax for truncate command is truncate table name. For example, to delete all the records of the student table and delete the table, the SQL statement is given as follows. The truncate table student, the table student is removed and the space is freed. Now we will see drop table command. The drop table command is used to remove a table from the database. If you drop a table, all the rows in the table is deleted and the table structure is removed from the database. Once a table is dropped, we cannot get it back. So be careful while using drop table command. But there is a condition for dropping a table. It must be an empty table. Okay, now delete command removes all the rows of the table using delete command. To delete all rows, the command is given as delete star from student. It should be terminated by semicolon. Okay, here once all the rows are deleted, the table can be deleted by drop table command in the following way. Drop table, here table name. For example, to delete the student table, drop table student should be terminated by semicolon. Now delete, truncate and drop statement. About we will see. You see, the delete command deletes only the rows from the table based on the condition given in the where clause, or deletes all the rows from the table if no condition is specified, but it does not free the space containing the table. But truncate command is used to delete all the rows, the structure remains in the table and free the space containing the table. Drop command is used to remove an object from the database. If you drop a table, all the rows in the table is deleted and the table structure is removed from the database. Once a table is dropped, we cannot get it back again. So once a table is dropped, we cannot get it back. Okay, in this DQL select. Okay, the DQL command, select command, one of the most important tasks when working with SQL is to generate queries and retrieve data. Right? In that place, a query is a command given to get a desired result from the database table. The select command is used to query or retrieve data from a table in the database. The select command is used to retrieve a subset of records from more than, here subset of records from one or more tables. Here the select command can be used in various forms. Syntax: select column list from table name. Okay, here table name is the name of the table from which the information is retrieved. Column list includes one or more columns from which data is retrieved. And then DQL commands, here select commands, here student table as following in the data. Okay, here admission number, name, gender, age, and then place. Places are Chennai to Chennai, here 100 to 107, so Ashish to Hema, and then all are male up to female 17 to 17. Right, here the DQL command is a select command. Select is nothing but select admission number, name from student. The above select command will display data as here admission number Ashish to Emma. Here DQL command, select command to view all the fields and rows. Command can be given as select star from the student. Okay, here admission number 100 to 107, Ashish to Emma, same age 17 to 17, place also Chennai to Chennai. Okay, here distinct keyword is an important keyword in a 2 mark. The distinct keyword is used to along with the select command to eliminate duplicate rows in the table. This helps to eliminate redundant data. Right. For example, select distinct place from student. Okay, here distinct keyword will display the following data. Only we want to place. So Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi. In the above output, you can see there would be no duplicate rows in the place field. When the keyword distinct is used, only one null value is returned even if more null values occur. Now the whole keyword retains duplicate rows. It will display every row of the table without considering duplicate entries. Select all, place from student. Here the above command will display all values of place field from every row of the table without considering the duplicate entries. Okay, now the last one is the where clause. Where clause is the select command specify the criteria for getting the desired result. How, sir? The general form of select command with where clause is select column name from table name where condition. Okay, here where clause example, for example, to display the students admission number and the name of only those students who belongs to Chennai. The select command is used in the following way. Select admission number, name, place from the student, where place, admission number, name, and then places. Okay, here select admission number, name, age from the student, where age is greater than or equal to 18. That's why those are 18 years and above. So 101 to 106 is a display will come. The remaining comments about next class we will see. Thank you.